Everyone desires to have a flawless and gorgeous skin, but due to many factors like pollution, poor diet, sun rays, stress, aging, scars, freckles, dry skin, skin irritations or allergies, rashes, genetics, etc. will increase the melanin production and results in dark and uneven skin tone. However, there are so many skin whitening products available in the market, but they contain some harsh chemicals which harm your skin in the longer run. Stop worrying and start following the natural ways to lighten your skin. Baking soda will stand as one of the best natural remedies that treat your uneven skin tone. In this article, we will let you in detail about baking soda for skin whitening. Before going to the methods of using baking soda, we will discuss its properties used for whitening your uneven skin tone. Does baking soda whiten your skin tone? Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate acts as an excellent exfoliant that removes dead skin cells and cellular damages throughout the applied skin. It balances your pH levels with its amphoteric property that helps to neutralize the acid, alkaline nature of the skin. It has antimicrobial and antioxidant properties that treat all the infections on your skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties that calm down your irritation, pain, and inflammation on the skin. It removes excess oil from the skin with its good oil absorbing property and thus cleanses your skin deeply to prevent the buildup from clogged pores. Regular usage will keep your skin softer and whiter with an even skin tone. How to whiten your skin with baking soda. Dark and uneven skin tone can be really embarrassing. So, here we are going to know few methods of using baking soda for whitening your skin. Method 1. Baking soda. Baking soda mixed with water will give many amazing results that include even skin tone. Add 2 parts of baking soda in 1 part of water and stir well to make a fine paste. Apply this paste on the affected areas and massage gently. Let it sit for a few minutes till it dries. Rinse off with lukewarm water followed by cold water. Repeat it 2-3 times a week till you're rid of uneven skin tone. Method 2. Baking soda with apple cider vinegar. Both these ingredients will exfoliate the skin and balances its pH levels to prevent dark and uneven skin tone. Add 3 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar in 2 tablespoons of baking soda and stir well to make a paste. Apply it on the dark areas of the skin and rinse off with warm water followed by cold water after 15 minutes. Dry your skin and apply moisturizer. Continue this process regularly for once or twice a week. Method 3. Baking soda with lemon juice and coconut oil. Lemon has vitamin C and citric acid that treats your irregular pigmentation, enlarged pores and thus whitens your skin. Coconut oil and tea tree oil soothes and fights against the skin problems. Mix 1/8 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1/2 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and 2-4 drops of tea tree oil in 1 tablespoon of baking soda to make a paste. Apply it on the skin and scrub it after a couple of minutes. Rinse off with water and repeat it regularly for once or twice a week. Method 4. Baking soda with corn flour and turmeric. This face pack will bleach your skin to lighten up the dark spots, acne scars, freckles and other scars on the skin. Add 1 teaspoon each of baking soda and turmeric, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and few drops of rose water. Stir to make a pack and apply it on your face and neck. Rinse off with cool water after 20-30 minutes and dry it to apply any facial moisturizer. We hope you love this video. If you find useful this video, give us a like and comment your suggestion and subscribe to our channel and press the bell button.